Discover Pakistan. Top waterfalls in Pakistan. Waterfalls in Azad Kashmir. Kashmir Waterfalls, Neelam Valley. Jamgar Waterfalls, Neelam Valley. Kohala Waterfall, Bagh District. Dhani Waterfall, Muzaffarabad District. Patika Waterfall, Muzaffarabad District. Twin Waterfalls of Gulpur, Kotali. Chham Waterfall, Hatiyanwala District. Tilli Waterfall, Sugnuti District. Waterfalls in Balochistan. Peer Gheb Waterfall, near Quetta. Hana Urak Waterfall, near Hana Lake, Urak Valley. Chotok Waterfalls, near Hostar. Waterfalls in Gilgit-Baltistan. Mantokha Waterfall, Kharmang Valley, Skadu. Khamosh Waterfall, Kharmang Valley. Harpu Waterfalls, Bagrot Valley. Waterfalls in Sindh. Khadeji Waterfalls, near Karachi. Hingan Waterfalls, near Gorakh Hill. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos.